On number 1, we can actually eliminate one answer choice right away because if 1 pound of grapes is $2, we're looking for a relationship between C pounds of grapes and the cost. So that's not going to be added. But just based on our common sense, if 1 pound is $2, then 2 pounds would be $4, 3 pounds would be $6. So that's not a dividing relationship, that's a multiplying relationship. So our answer is A. On question 2, we can eliminate answer choices based on whether or not the interval is decreasing or increasing. So between 1 and 2 months, it is decreasing, so that's a possible answer choice. Between 2 and 3, it increases though, so it definitely was not decreasing the fastest. Between 3 and 4, it's decreasing, so that's also a possible answer choice. And between 4 and 5, it's increasing, so that cannot be an answer choice. Now, you just have to determine between this part and this part, which one is steeper. In this case, the answer is C. On number 6, we can eliminate some answer choices based on what it tells us in the problem. So the easy equation is the second one, okay? So we're looking for the number of bench tickets and the number of lawn tickets. Now the organizers announced there was a total of 350 tickets sold. So bench plus lawn must equal 350, not 19,250. Now we have to figure out the first equation. In this case, we don't multiply our numbers together to get our total amount, plus that's not even the right number. So now we're left with B and D. Now we just have to see which one has the correct numbers with the right variables. So a bench was 75 and a lawn was 40, so we want 75 with B and 40 with L, which is answer choice D. On number 7, this is asking us for the equation of a line with a slope of 3. So the slope is the number that goes with the x, and y equals mx plus b, which these are all formatted as. So we want a 3 next to the x, not added. We don't care what's out here. So B and D are distractors. The 3's are just out there. Now, because we're looking for 3 and not 1 over 3, our answer choice on this one is C. On number 10, this is asking about which graph illustrates the height of the water as we fill this glass over here. Now, if this glass was just a cylinder and it was the same same radius all the way up and down, then it would be something like A. D is a constant height, so D is not correct and A is not correct. That rate is going to change as that radius changes as we go up. Now here, the radius is very small, so it's going to fill rather quickly. Towards the end, that's a bigger area, so it's going to slow down its vertical height as it goes. So here, this goes up fast and then slows down. This goes slow at first and then speeds up. So in this case, our answer is C. On number 12, we're going to use the words in the problem to tell us which inequality signs are correct. So while Roberto's goal was to sell at least 57 policies, he did not meet his goal. That means that the X and the Y policies added together were less than 57, which is what this symbol right here means. So the other ones, B and D, cannot be correct. Now we just have to figure out the second equation. So while he did not meet his goal for the number of policies, the total value was over or greater than $3 million. So when these are added together, they should be bigger than $3 million. So here, remember the alligator eats the big one, so C is our answer. On number 17, this is asking you to rank the mean, median, and mode of this data set. Now, the mean is the average, the median is the one in the middle, and the mode is the one that happens most often. So this table gives us frequency, so the one with the biggest number gives us the mode. So that biggest number is 6, which means age 18. That is lower than all the other numbers, so my mode must be smaller than either my mean or my median. In that case, I can eliminate C and D as my answers without having to calculate either the median or the mean. On number 19, we can eliminate two answer choices right off the bat just based on the fact that it says the range is real numbers less than or equal to 4. So remember that domain comes before range in the dictionary, just like X comes before Y in the alphabet. So range is talking about our vertical numbers. So if my range is less than 4, this one goes above 4, so C can't be an answer. And this one goes above, so neither can D. So now the only other piece of information is the zeros, which tells us where it goes through the x-axis, and we want that to happen at -3 and 1, which is A.